Hello guys, Vivo launched their Vivo X80 and X80 Pro after Vivo's first foldable smartphone Vivo X Fold and Vivo X Note. Now here is the another series that seems like Vivo wants to cover up this year with their camera beast model. Vivo has already unveiled the X80 and X80 Pro in China on 25th April and confirmed plans to bring them worldwide next month too. Coming to the design, the Vivo X80 Pro is similar to the X Note design and also very neat on the back side with a ceramic or eco leather material with a huge camera bump, aluminum frame, curved edges. On the bottom side you get a Type-C port, stereo speaker grill and SIM slot. It is also IP68 dust and water resistant. It comes in three colors. The black model has a glass rear, the orange is vegan leather and the green sports in ceramic build. Moving on the display, the Vivo X80 Pro has a 2K 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED E5 display to save the power consumption with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus 20:9 ratio with 1500 nits and 1 billion colors, including under-display fingerprint sensor. The X80 Pro upgrades to an ultrasonic sensor with a significantly larger sensor area, making it easier to hit the right spot of the screen to register a print. Coming to the camera department, which represent Vivo X80 Pro, as for the front, you get a punch-hole selfie camera with 32 megapixel f2.5 aperture, 26mm wide, HDR 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 fps video resolution. On the back side, there is a quad camera setup with many features which I will explain very briefly. Main camera has 50 megapixel f1.6 aperture, wide PDF, laser AF OIS, 48 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 114-degree ultra wide lens from Sony IMX598, also 12 megapixel portrait lens f1.9 aperture, 50mm telephoto dual pixel PDF 2x optical zoom, gimbal style stabilization from Sony IMX663, and there is also one more sensor in square shape, 8 megapixel f3.4 aperture periscope telephoto lens, PDF 5x optical zoom that actually does 5 times optical zoom and 60 times digital zoom, and 8K 4K at 3060 fps, 1080p at 3060 fps video resolution. There is also Zeiss branding which uses some impressive image sensor all the camera with Zeiss T-Star lens coating which reduce glare. Also Vivo series will bring Vivo's latest V1 Plus ISP chip which will help the device to take even better low light photography in X80 Pro. In X80 Pro there is also Zeiss button in camera which will automatically reduce the color saturation. Coming to the specification, this device is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, Adreno 730. Here is the benchmark scores like high performance. RAM and storage option are similar, 256GB and 8GB, 256GB, 12GB, 512GB and 12GB RAM with Android 12 Origin OS Ocean. Coming to the battery section, it has 4700 mAh battery with super fast charging 80 watts, 100% charge in 38 minutes and fast wireless charging 50 watts, 100% charge in 50 minutes. Between both variant X80 and X80 Pro, the only real difference is that the camera model is a little larger from X80 to fits in an extra square shaped lens below the main camera ring. The price of X80 is start from $560 and X80 Pro's starting price is $840. This is very high performance device and worth it, especially who love photography and videography, and Vivo X80 Pro has a lot of feature to get the next level of photography. So that's all for now. Thanks for your love and support. I really appreciate each one of you who subscribe. Keep loving, keep supporting, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.